Hello everyone, this is Darshan Deshmukh and today we are going to see how to create an intent in Android application. So the general idea of intent is a basic building block of Android application. You can use the intent to send the information from one screen to another screen, to navigate from one screen to the another screen. You can use to start a service. So this is the main purpose of intent. So I have created an application, that is intent app. You can see here I have created a user info activity and I have designed a layout file for user info activity. So here you can see the edit text for first name, last name, phone number, city and a submit button. So this is my layout file. I have used the linear layout and the orientation is vertical. So you can see here. Now we are going to find the IDs of views. Private edit text. By using find by view ID, we can find the IDs of each edit text. I have took one submit button. Now we are on the click of submit button. We can send the information using intent from one screen to another screen. So here I have implement the interface, that is on click listener, and here is the on click method overridden. So we can pass the information on the click on submit button. So I can set the listener for submit button. By using get text method, we can get the text in the edit text, and we are going to return a string value. This gives the error because we are going to return a string into the integer value. So here we are going to pass the string value into integer. So we can use the integer class, and there is a pass int method. So we can pass this string value into integer. Now we are going to pass these values from one activity to another activity using intent. Here is I have created a second activity, that is the display info activity, and I have designed this layout file. So here I have took the nested linear layout uh, to show the vertical one by one, and one is horizontal linear layout. So you can design your own ways. So I have took this design. Now from user activity I can pass the information using intent. So I have created intent object. So here we can pass the two parameter. First is context of first screen, and second is the name of second screen. So we are going from user and info activity dot this comma display info activity dot class. So intent has some inbuilt method to pass the information. So you can see here these are the methods, that is put extra. We can pass the key and value. So here is a format of value, that is you can pass the string value, passable value, integer value, byte value, character, long, float. So these are the methods. So here we can pass the string information first, that is the name. So I can take a key. And a value name. Our second value is the integer, so I can use intent dot put extra integer. Key is a phone, and this is the value. Third is our string value again. So this is the value city. So by using start activity method, I can pass this intent. So here we can go from one screen to another screen by taking these values. So now we are going to display info activity. To display the information, we can find the ID of text views. So here is city text. So here we have already find the IDs of all views. So I have created one method get user info. So here you can return the intent object. And the information. Here we can take the values from key. So our key is name, for phone our key is phone. So we can check the keys that we have defined: username, phone and city, and here we have defined name only. So we cannot make a mistake in the keys. So we can check again: username, phone and city. So our keys are correct. So we can set data name text dot set text username. So here we return the integer. Okay. So our key is phone, and we can pass the default value if we do not enter any values. So here we can pass default value 0. So you can set the integer value. So I can set the integer value here. Okay, so our application is ready now. We can run it. So I have inserted value here. Phone number 9898989890. City Pune. our application crash. We can check what is the error exactly. Number format exception, that is for the phone number. So here we are. So I can use the long. You can run now. Hopefully it will work. Application runs successfully, but our number is not getting here properly. It will return a 0. So here we are going to return a int. You can check long extra. We can run now. So this runs successfully. I hope that all like my tutorial. So thank you very much. If you have any queries or doubts, you can ask me.